So, hello. I'll be cooking chicken alfredo for today. So, today is last day of 2014. 14? Girl, where are you from? Hello. So, I will be cooking chicken alfredo. Pero kulang-kulang ako ng ingredients. So, bear with me. See you in a while. And let's enjoy this chicken alfredo. Let's enjoy the alfredo, the chicken. So I'm back again. Nag-gather ko na tanan-tanan kung ang kinanglan. Yeah. So jutay-jutay lang ang fettuccine. As in jutay lang, giluton ko kay ligad nagluto ko. Ano gani man, olive. Basta pasta with olive. Damo, medyo half na luto ko, so medyo damo. So wala siya naman ang ubuso ng hatag na kami. Tapos wala ko butter, girl. So I'm gonna use olive oil. Ako mo lang nagagamit ang olive oil sa ni panimalay. Kag mga tira-tirang all-purpose cream kay like legit yeah, girl. No preparation for this chicken alfredo. And then milk. Evaporated milk. Kung kulang ako ng milk, so may RD sarap. Full cream para sa coffee sa mga utod. Pero kaya since wala na ata niya kinangan. And then chicken kung wala mo kung may ka-breast. So, look. Girl, legit tayo lang hindi ako ng mga ingredients. So, let's boil together and cook together. And ano pa gali? Mga garlic and yeah, what not. Mention ko lang later. So, first and foremost, pandaron tang ating mga stove. And then, nagutang ta like salt. And then, after that, lambutang pa olive oil. I mean, yeah, olive oil. Kaya wala pa olive oil, okay na na. Okay na na. And then, let it boil. Then, once it boils, we're gonna put our fettuccine pasta. And then, yeah, that's it. So now, while we wait for the water to boil, pwede na start chop things up. So, just bear with my hands as I do this, in fact. So, yeah. I'm gonna chop a bunch of garlic, as many as you can tolerate, pero not less than 3 cloves para may sabor man yung mga nilagay. Kabalo ka naman nilagay. Since wala pa breast, so nag-improvise ta ang whatever nga ara sa ref, ginimot na lang, cut na into this para mag-prito ta later. Medyo hapos na lang siya, flattened na siya, and then i-dry ta na siya using tissue. Wait lang. So i-dry up ta na siya using a bunch of tissue. Namin para mag-absorb ang iyang sabor later when we put the seasonings or whatever if we wish to put. Now, we like it this time. Oh, good. Look at season it. Di uga pun gets nga wala ni sa din gatubod sa kon. Wala pulos. Pero kasi okay, never mind. Wala gatubod. Maasin naman to. white pepper. then, ano pa yun? Wait lang, mga itakog. Ano? Ay, pwede mo kang doon. Wala na kayo. Pari na lang. Galing daw ba? Tigasan. Wala na pag doon. Wait lang, mga dog mo ko ba? Never mind, we're not gonna use this since it's not cooperating well. Galing ka namin siya. Wait lang. I'll try to check. Since nag-boil na siya, so we're gonna put konti lang the bottom dito. So, yeah, konti. That's it. Kung feeling ko ito tayo, so I'm gonna add some more. Wait lang. I know, i-regret ko na pero madakapan sa later. I-regret ko kung nag-add ko something. Pero, we'll see. I'm gonna like, dito tayo nag-add ito. Blurry. So, while gabukali siya, kailangan butter, so we're gonna use olive oil. A little bit goes far. Okay lang, ito yung pinansin ko. Pero hindi ko rin yata nga. Fully, so we're gonna heat it up. And some cheese. I think this one is medyo cook naman. So, I'm gonna i-decorate pa dito. Chop-chop pa naman. So, I'll use the content of sauce. Babaw lang siya. Okay, black naman. Then, higawin ito lang sa content time. Para hindi siya mamuno. So, nang black na siya. Kaya na kahit mabibang siya sa bursa sauce. Tama siya ng chicken. So, I'm gonna wait. Pour it in. We're gonna lagay ng concealer garlic. And then, we're gonna add some seasonings. Seasonings up to your liking din na whatever you like. Yeah, that's it. So first I will add this salt. White pepper. Or nice and then garlic parsley. And then for onions, so we're gonna add our pasta. Sheesh. Look how juicy it is. Using it now. YouTuber Jess. Hi, so I'm back. It's currently around almost 2 AM. So I'm gonna try na ang ating niluto kanina. Dito yung face ko, my pimples are pimpling. So yeah, akong una matilaw kay wala itaw sa balay. So we shall see, we shall taste this thing. Dito yun ako ba? Kaya daw pa kami bigyan katuan, kaya nagkato pa kami. If you're a cheesy girl or a cheese person, if you like, okay, ouch, if you like cheese, this one's for you. It's too creamy and cheesy. Oh, it's just a cheesy. It's a creamy, but I like it.